Country music superstar Miranda Lambert has found a sweet new place outside Nashville. According to Variety, Lambert recently bought a sprawling 400-acre retreat in Williamsport, Tennessee, about an hour outside Nashville, for $3.4 million. Lambert also owns the Nashville mansion she shared with Shelton. Her new pad comes furnished and features multiple rustic cabin-like properties. The park-like grounds contain a stocked lake ready for fishing, a boathouse, and a horse barn. Sounds like the perfect place to write another album, right? The main house is cozy country luxury at its best, the perfect place for Lambert to snuggle up to her new husband, Brendan McLoughlin. A massive stone fireplace dominates the living room, and soaring rustic wood ceilings and fireplaces grace nearly every room. The animal-loving Lambert, who often posts photos of rescued pets from her no-kill shelter in Oklahoma, Redemption Ranch, has plenty of room for critters on this Tennessee acreage. There's a 2-stall horse barn and plenty of storage, plus a 6-car garage for horsepower of a different sort. The garage is topped by another studio-style apartment, presumably for a caretaker. A large lake provides water recreation right in the backyard, complete with a boat dock and canoe storage. Lambert won't even have to go into the big city to give a concert. An open-air pavilion on the ground seats 60, and has a stage perfect for a private show, perhaps the house that built me in a little kerosene. What do you think of this 400-acre Tennessee estate? Let us know in the comments section down below. Miranda Lambert is an incredible person, and we are thrilled to be able to share this with you. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do that now. Down below you can click the subscribe button and be sure to give it a thumbs up so that more people can see this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.